What's up, dude?
What's up?
What do you do now?
So basically I'm trying to fix this camera. I can show you here. It's actually done already. If you go down, yeah. I think it's a nice look. Yeah. So that's already fitted. You can come over from that side. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, you can see that. So there is basically a screw and a nut that's already holding in place. So now I'm gonna be working on how to route the cables. I already find out the way. Wait, that's fine. So yeah, if you come over here, I'm gonna follow the wire from the red slide. Go this way, and it will come out in this way. Now from there, that's gonna be my screen. Okay, so that's a quick update. So that's the way I route the cable. Going here, it's the connector is here. That's my habit. I want to protect against the rain and stuff. And then going through there, came out. As you know, you can see, yeah, that's quick. One of them is quick connector. So the brown was my minus, and the blue black is the plus for the reverse. Okay. Yeah, I still need to protect the wiring here. And then I was putting through the wiring, and it goes under the ceiling. Coming out here, and this is the last step. I'm gonna put it through up to here, left side, and my screen will be over there. So that will be the next step. That's what I'm working now. Okay, so that will be the final check. So nobody will be as a test person, as a tester, right? So now, and now I'm putting my reverse. There you go. Okay, now. Perfect. You touching the bumper now? Yeah, perfect. And you can see even, yeah, your shoes I can see. That's perfect, brilliant. And go maximum to the back now slowly, yeah. Perfect. And I still see your shoes. The angle is 170 degrees, which is very good. Perfect. And we can see the both corners, the curve. Really good view, like, yeah. Perfect. Okay, thank you. Bye. So I think it went well. Now I'll be driving and testing how it's working in practice.